Hello. Today we're looking at the Korg Modwave. So the Korg Modwave is a digital synthesizer based on the DW8000 and I believe DW6000, which are synths that have been on my sort of gotta have it list for some time. I've just really loved wavetable synthesizers, and there was a sort of period where you had wavetable synthesizers with analog filters, a glorious time that has returned in a new guise, because the Modwave is based on the DW8000, but is not a DW8000. It does have wavetables, it does have analog model filters, but it just has lots of modern, wonderful bells and whistles, loads of preset memory, much more knobs, actual knobs, which were not present on the original. Things like this Kaoss physics, which is really cool, which is like bouncing balls that you can apply to modulate things. Lots of envelopes and lots of LFOs dedicated to modulating things. And then the kind of core architecture is that you've got two oscillators and a sub-oscillator, but you have two layers, a layer A and a layer B. So layer A is two oscillators, but the oscillators aren't just wave tables, of which there are many wave tables inside it, but there are also samples, which are kind of like slightly longer. They're not sort of, minutes worth of samples, but you get things like ha and sort of ooh, like kind of, like actual sounds of things, which is wonderful stuff to blend in with oscillators. For example, there are like violin sounds and stuff, which sound gorgeous, and layering violins with like saws, and it's good stuff. And so we have like morphing A and B waveforms where we can morph between two waveforms that we choose, two wavetables. And then we've also got morphs, which are like modifiers to the waveform, which can bend, stretch, and twist and fold it in interesting ways, combined with obviously all the modulation envelopes. And there are dedicated envelopes for the oscillators, which is really nice. So you can push around the position of the wavetable with a dedicated envelope very quickly and easily. There's lots of modulation. It's very deep. But what I've been particularly enjoying, as I do with most synthesizers, is just like core functionality. That is to say, the basic sound of the thing, because you have these wonderful wavetables and they've got grit and sort of vibe to them, but you've also got very wonderful analog model filters, the Poly 6, the MS-20, and this kind of multi-filter and more generic filters, but which sound really good. Lots of different modes. You also have effects, and the effects sound really wonderful. There's loads of them, like pre-effects, like compressors, EQs, wave shapers, and ring mods, tremolos, mod effects, lots of choruses based on different things, delay effects based on lots of different things, and then reverb, like a master reverb, and it just sounds really good. You've also got like randomize, so you can randomize presets, blocks in the synth, or the whole voice, so you can just be like, yeah, good random sound there. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's like, I would not have programmed that sound, but I can get down with that. I could vibe with that. Just this and like a 707, I reckon we've got a tune on our hands. And it can do like amazing sequences, by the way. There's this whole sequencing section down here. So you can really like go to town in modulating and in sort of immensifying the like sound that's in its memory. It just sounds really, really good. And so I'll mainly just play you some presets that I've made. And if you're a bit like me, like what appeals to me about wavetable synthesizers is kind of spiritual, otherworldly tones that just kind of make you feel weird feelings. And this is a sound that I came up with, which uses samples and one wave form, and then a sample and another waveform. Lots of polyphony, by the way. I think it's like 32 notes. Love it. Oh, wow. That's really, really nice. I'm going to save that before we lose it. This is called Souly Ghost. Wow. two sounds together. The strings are obviously a layer B, and the sort of is layer A. Yeah. That's nice, isn't it? Can you tell I've been listening to loads of drum and bass? Quite crackers. There's actually just one layer. That's just A. But with sample R falsetto. And then there is stepping of the wave here, definitely. again. It just sounds so nice. Yeah, I don't know what this is or what I would use it for, but that's okay. It's another candidate for the 707, which this is no bad thing. Quite Numanvibes.